Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send e-file. First, understand that e-filing streamlines document submission, making it faster and more secure than paper methods. You can submit various forms, like tax returns or business reports, directly through authorized online platforms. This process often includes immediate confirmation, providing peace of mind that your documents were received. It's a modern solution for managing your important paperwork efficiently. Before you begin e-filing, proper preparation is key. Double-check all your information for accuracy to avoid delays or rejections. For example, if you're filing taxes, have your Form W-2 and any Form 1099 statements ready. If you have physical documents, scan them into clear, readable PDF files. Organizing everything beforehand will make the e-filing process much smoother and quicker. When it comes to sending your e-file, you have a couple of main options. You can often file directly through the specific agency's website, like the IRS for tax returns. Alternatively, many people use commercial software, which provides step-by-step guidance and often checks for errors. Always ensure the platform you choose is secure and officially recognized to protect your sensitive information. This choice depends on your comfort level and the complexity of your filing needs. The final step is crucial: a thorough review. Before hitting that submit button, meticulously check every piece of information to catch any potential errors. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation number. Save this immediately, perhaps by taking a screenshot or printing it as proof of submission. This number is vital for tracking your document status. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Congratulations, you've successfully e-filed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.